Shenzhen Yongchuangli Electronic Technology Co., Ltd. YCLTOUCH, founded in 2013, is a professional R&D, production and sales of touch ceremony stop high-tech enterprise. The main products are sub-products: electronic whiteboard, infrared touch frame, infrared touch screen, capacitive screen. YCLTOUCH has 10 years of experience in OEM, ODM and quality control, a rich experience with 20 people R&D team. The SMT workshop has fully automatic machines. Workers have undergone professional training to ensure product quality and manufacturing speed. The capacitor screen workshop is strictly controlled by the requirements of the dust-free requirements, and the temperature and humidity must be strictly controlled. All products will be tested by automatic high-temperature aging test line for 48 hours, and go through 3 times 100% fully inspections before shipment. All products have reached CEUL, FCC, CCC, RoHS, REACH and other standards and passed ISO 9001 certification. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on libaba.com.